Hello my gems, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. For today's video we are going to review a makeup product. This makeup product is none other than lipstick. This is the lipstick from Maybelline, which you'll come to know in a while. Before we get started with the product, I'd like to request to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that whenever I post a video you get notified. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. Hello. So this has been a very long time since I've shooted a video, so pardon me for all the mistakes. मैं पहले ही बोल दे रही हूँ. For today's video, as we all know, we are going to review a makeup product, and this makeup product is nothing else but my favorite makeup product, which is a lipstick. I can never go out without a lipstick. Means this is my go-to makeup product. Means I love lipsticks. I really love lipsticks. मेरे पास ऑप्शन ना, अगर मेरे पास ऑप्शन होगी कोई भी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट नहीं, बस चूज एनी वन फॉर योर लाइफ टाइम, आई श्योरली गो फॉर lipstick because it is very important. But I am also a die-hard fan of like liquid lipstick because liquid lipsticks stays a long amount of time for me, and crayon lipstick doesn't work for me actually. I don't like the glossing finish. I love matte finish in my lipstick. For today's lipstick we are reviewing this lipstick from Maybelline. lipstick बहुत पहले, but मैं पता नहीं रिव्यू नहीं कर पा रही थी. This is one of the new launch of this done. आज मैं बेस बहुत हल्का रखी हूँ. Just I have applied my Nykaa का foundation or BB cream, and then a little bit of eyeshadow and blush and highlighter. A bare minimum makeup I have done, and I just thought कि let's just do this. Means I was like आज तो करना ही है, बहुत time हो गया, and I wanted to do it, but I was just procrastinating the videos. I don't know why, because I'm lazy, of course. Moving towards the product name is Maybelline New York Sensational new multi-matte liquid lipstick. Not liquid, sorry, multi-matte lipstick actually. So this is one of their new launch in lipstick from Maybelline. This is comes in such way. It is a bullet lipstick, you can say, and it is matte. Yes, it is a bullet lipstick and it claims to matte. I have not used it from Myntra. It comes with a packaging of like plastic का packaging. इसको आपको तोड़ना पड़ता है if you need to tear it up. But I just tore it up yesterday or day before yesterday. Actually I thought कि लगा लेते हैं, अब बहुत टाइम हो गया, वीडियो रहने देते हैं, लेकिन I thought कि नहीं, जब इतना लंबा खींच ही लिया है, and I got this lipstick just to shoot the video. I never go for such kind of lipstick. If I am buying lipstick, I always make sure that I buy liquid lipstick because it is more convenient to me, and I trust liquid lipstick a bit more because it's made and I think it will last long. So today I'll be reviewing this. I hope this is good. बाकी सब नहीं चलेगा तब नहीं होगा तब भी चलेगा, but I really want this to be matte because I'm a die-hard fan of matte lipstick. And the name itself says that it is a sensational multi-matte lipstick, so I hope it is matte. The texture is very nice. It looks very the packaging is very good. I love the texture of it because it just goes with from the dark to the rusty browny color. Yes, I love the packaging of it for sure. Here is the branding done. Here is the branding done. It is written here Maybelline, and here it is written here Ultimate. So the packaging is overall looks very nice and precious. It looks expensive. Shade that I have is named as More Rust 99. It is named as More Rust 899. I'm just showing you a swatch over here. So it is a very pretty rusty color. It has a tinge of brown in it, and it looks pretty well with a bit of red in it too. I love the color. There were like 6 shades in it. Been launched 6 shade in this lipstick. The shade names are all like more, like more का extension लगा है. For the first, this shade is named as More Rust 1899. The other one is More Top, which is a brown shade nude lipstick, you can say, and another one is the More Blush, which is also a nude blush lipstick, you can say. Was the what to say? Bright colors. They have one more, it is More Scarlet, which has this orange color, orange plus red, and one is More Magenta, which is like the bright pink, which also looks bomb, but I don't think it will look good on dusky skin tone because it is too bright. The one is this brown lipstick which is named as More Rust. The MRP of this lipstick is 599. No, it is the 549, and you can easily get it for rupees 450 to 499 easily. It is a new launch, so थोड़ा सा प्राइस इधर उधर होगा कि थोड़ा सा प्राइसी लगेगा, but since it will settle down, I think the product price will decrease a bit more. I got it from Myntra. You can get it in selective stores only. I feel you can get it from Maybelline, Nykaa, or what to say, Myntra. But when I got this, it was not at all available in Nykaa even, so I relied on Maybelline. And also I had an offer with it because Myntra keeps on giving you offers. I got this and another normal Maybelline 179 wala matte wala lipstick, which was a good deal for me. I got it for rupees 450. Yes, finally let's just try this out in our lips for the very first time. I'm nervous and I really wish it settles to matte. पता नहीं इधर थोड़ा सा ब्राउनिश लग रहा था, बट व्हेन आई अप्लाइड इट ऑन माई लिप्स इट लुक्स ऑरेंजी. आई डोंट नो व्हाई एंड आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग इट बिकॉज इधर ब्राउनिश और रेडिश का मिक्स लग रहा है एंड इट्स लुकिंग फुल ऑरेंज हियर. एंड आई फील दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम विथ माई लिप्स. इवन मीन्स जो दिखता है वो मेरे लिप्स पर नहीं दिखता है. इट्स लाइक सो वियर्ड फॉर डस्की पीपल, बट या, it is creamy. Your lips feel moisturized, your lips feel good, and it's lightweight. Even it is very lightweight, but I think you need to store it in, what to say, refrigerator, because other than that it melts a little. Then it's a cons for it, and you get a good quantity, like this much lipstick for 500. You can say हम लोग ओवरऑल प्राइस 500 रखते हैं या फिर 450 रखते हैं. For 450 you get this much, and I think it's a good deal because thinking of the quality and the texture, it's like creamy lipstick. If you like creamy lipstick, this is one for you, but I think it may go off easily for me. Means it can, if you're messy like me, I don't think this is gonna stay a longer amount of time in your lips, because I think it will smudge off. एंड nowadays मास्क पहनने के साथ ना क्या हो रहा है कि वी नीड टू डेली टेक केयर कि विच वन इज़ लाइक फॉर ट्रांसफर प्रूफ फॉर so that our lipstick doesn't pass on to the mask and it makes little really messy, really messy. I face a lot of this problem because I apply lipstick every single day. There's not a single day that I don't apply lipstick at all. So this is a closer view of how it looks. It is purely creamy. It is not at all matte lipstick, and which I'm really disappointed. And to be very honest, because I expected it to be multi-matte, as it the name says, I thought it will settle down to matte, but I don't feel the vibe. But it looks like matte even. मतलब अगर दूर से मैं देखूँ ना तो it looks like matte. Okay, it's fine, it's matte, but I know it is not. Because it is creamy. But if you are like really into looking for lipstick which are moisturizing and which can keep your lips moisturized for long, then this is one for you definitely. Other than that, I don't think you need to spend like 450 bucks on it. You can easily go for the Maybelline bullet lipstick, which will cost you for rupees 300 maximum, and you'll get a wide range of variety of colors or shades. And whereas here you get only 6 shade, and for 6 shade, and it's also a little bit pricey, more because the bullet is more big or more thick, you can say, and here it is very patla sa lipstick. It's not worth it. So let's try this out, the smudge on the transfer proof, which I'm very sure that it is not at all non-transfer proof. It is easily transferable, and अब क्या कर सकते हैं. And now let's just try the smudge wala. See, both the shade looks different. So if you are like very fair or like fair skin people, then it will look so beautiful on your face. The color is really pretty, but since if you're dusky, then it will might look like this on your face. Other than that, this is the fair like this on your face. So it is not at all smudge proof or water. It is not at all smudge proof or transfer proof. So to make it transfer proof, what you can do is take a little bit of translucent powder and just tap it on your lips or with the lipstick, and just then brush it off. Then it will really settle down to transfer proof or matte lipstick. I do with my bullet lipstick this thing so that it turns into matte lipstick, because eventually we cannot waste our lipstick, right? So I do this on a regular basis, so do try. Rather than that, if we talk about the pros of this lipstick, the pros of this lipstick is that the packaging is quite luxurious. The lipstick. Secondly, the lipstick is very moisturizing. If you are a diehard fan, or if you like creamy lipstick, you will really love it. It is very light on lips. If you don't feel anything that you have put, even it just feel like lip balm. It is so light and very good. And coming to the cons, if you like liquid lipstick or transfer proof lipstick, then this was not the perfect match for you. And I feel it is a little bit thoda sa overpricey for the range of shades they are giving only 6 shades. You have less option to choose from. Other than that, transfer proof nahi hai, smudge proof nahi hai. You can make it transfer proof with that hack I gave you. And if it's and now coming to the main question, is it worth spending your $500 in this lipstick? No, it's not worthy spending of 500 rupees in this lipstick. So yes, this is it for this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so that whenever I post a video you get notified. Bye my gems, see you next time.